Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola One, and today I will show you a couple tweaks and tricks that you can do on your phone. We'll start off with Adobe Audio, which is found either right here, and if it's not here, it can be found in Settings, under Audio. Located, where is it? Sounds, and Adobe Audio. And you can enable it from here, and I also have options to customize your equalizer to your liking. So let's leave here. Another feature that I'll show you would be battery saving mode, which is fairly useful, located right here. And battery saving, let's turn it on. By default it will turn on at 15%, but you can change it to turn on at, let's say, 60, for instance. And it will remove things like vibration when you key press and a couple other features just to preserve the battery. Now let's go back to settings. Another couple useful tweaks would be in accessibility and the triple tap to magnify. You can enable it to magnify anywhere and use two fingers to scroll around the page. Let's disable that. And one more would be remove animation to improve the performance of the phone and how quick it is. Just to show you, see, all the animations are instant. And one more thing I find useful is when using the phone at the night to use the night light, which will remove the blue color from, or well, not remove, but reduce the blue light from the screen, making it at night much more pleasant to the eye. There's also the inverted colors, which does similar thing, but just inverts the colors and everything is basically black. Does similar thing just into much greater scale, and I will just show you color inversion, and as you can see. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.